Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to set birthday reminders in Google Calendar. This is a great way to make sure we never miss an important celebration. Let's get started. On our Google Calendar, let's walk through an example. Say we want to add a birthday event. Here, we can create a new event and name it something like Friend's Birthday. Then we just need to click on More Options. Under the notification settings, we can choose when we want to be reminded. For example, we can set a reminder for one day before the birthday, or even a few weeks ahead. We can also add an email reminder, so we never forget. This gives us our notification before the birthday arrives. And that's how we set birthday reminders in Google Calendar. With these simple steps, we can stay on top of every special day.